Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at Crypto.com and we're seeing a bit of a rally today. Yes and no. Bitcoin rally, crypto rally. Rally up the troops. Let's go. Alright, so is this a bear trap? A bull trap? What is this? Let's investigate. Be sure you stay to the end of the video to hear the conclusion and what we're doing going forward here on crypto and crypto.com. So you can see there are some awesome cryptos today, up 46%, Mutable X 29%, almost 30% for Waves, Kyber Network 21%, GLM Golem 10%, Gods Unchained 10%. Woo, Anchor, that's a whole name we haven't heard for a while, up 8.5%. Nice. So you would think overall market's doing well, but it's just not everything. It's only a few select coins. Let's go over and look at the portfolio. And from what you can see we're about neutral. But it's a rally because we're not down today. So that's good. People are starting to hold. You can see these numbers here are little red, little green, little red, little green. Okay, let's see some big numbers posted. Now, the further we go down, the bigger the numbers. Of course, why wouldn't they be? Because I hold less. Although, there's Anchor up 10% at 8.5%. Not quite 10%. Wish I had more. Maybe we'll add to our position now, since we're seeing a rally there. What do you guys think? But anyway, let's go back to the beginning, because it's all driven by one factor: Bitcoin. So goes Bitcoin, so goes crypto, it seems like. Now, there is a few outstanding makers, whether losers or gainers, but overall, the market is generally the same. Now, we look at the last week, you can see we're down from 44 to 38. So let's look at the last month. All right, we can see we've had a floor here, a low of 34-ish, 35-ish, somewhere around there. So 38, not bad, not bad. Okay, I think there's some sustainable levels here, around 40K. And you can see here, it definitely bounced off of that 35K spot pretty quickly. Now, we're still the lowest we've been in a while, so it's not great. So there's a couple ways to look at this chart. So first of all, we can see that we have two lows. We have this low here, and we have this low here, right? So if we just look at that isolated graph, that's at the bottom. So that is a bullish sign that it's going to go up. However, if we isolate the graph to this region, you have a top here and a top here. That's a double top. That's a very bearish sign. So, interesting. And if you go back here even further, this could be a triple top. So, okay, that's a very, very bearish sign. And crypto could be heading lower. Now, that's not what I want to say, but it could be. It could be true. I've been trading on some other platforms like Celsius. Obviously, I have some crypto at Robinhood, Coinbase, Voyager, and here at Crypto.com, I'm waiting for another load of fiat to get loaded into my account that I've transferred from my bank. And as soon as that hits, I'm going to get a couple red days. I will be adding that in to some crypto. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned to see what I have in store for us next. Alright, so that's the story on Bitcoin. Let's go back up to our favorite here at Crypto.com. Drives the entire ecosystem, the CRO, or the Chronos now. So over the last 3 months, if we look at it, same as Bitcoin, all right, you can see the double top is not as exaggerated as it is with Bitcoin, but it's still there. And you can see double bottom forming here. You have double bottom and might be going for a triple bottom, which is a very bullish signal. And I'm very bullish on this crypto. People are going to be moving over from Ethereum, although people have been moving out of the CRO for VVS, MM Finance, MMF, a lot of other dApps here at Crypto.com, and the way they're rolling out their entire platform and ecosystem, it's interesting to see how things happen. Hopefully you guys have been following my VVS Finance. I've been kind of focused on that for a while. Thinking about getting to MMF. Not yet. We'll see. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. But you can see the last 6 months, when we had the high in Bitcoin, we had a high in CRO of about 95 cents. That was a good time. I wish I would have sold more back then so I could have bought more. So, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Should be interesting when we hit $1 again. What will I do? Will I buy more or will I sell more? Still kind of in the accumulation phase, and we'll have to see. We will have to see. All right, so Shiba Inu, that's a big one. Not a lot of activity here recently. Should be interesting going forward. You can definitely see there's a downtrend from when it was a big hot topic back in October. Now, not much going on there, unfortunately. Might be a good time to buy, or it might not. You can still see it's up 200%. Good deal. If more to go, we'll see. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and go check out my separate news feed on what's going on in Russia and the Ukraine. Thanks for watching.